Magandang hapon po ng Tuesday, September 12, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 12, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, September 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 12, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 63 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 46 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, September 12, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 12, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.